Welcome back to 3B Aquatics. We have an unboxing this evening. Just received this order of very special shrimp that I've been waiting to get for a while. So let's go ahead and open it up. This is from Detroit Shrimp Aquatics. Shout out to Brian. Oh, all right. Detroit Shrimp Aquatics. Oh, hey, it's a sticker. Awesome. All right. All right, so I think I mentioned these are the Orange Eye Royal Blue Tiger Shrimp. They're Caridina shrimp. They are recommended to be kept at very soft and acidic water. General hardness of 4 to 6, KH of 0. TDS should be, there's recommended 140 to 150 ppm. Temperature range 68 to 74, so fairly low across the numbers. Now my numbers are a little bit different. My TDS is about 180, my GH is 8, my pH is at 5.8, and my temperature is right in there at 70. All right, another late night here at 3B Aquatics, and I waited to put this video out just so I could kind of show you the shrimp from Detroit Shrimp Aquatics as they settled in. They're doing quite well. We got a couple females that are buried, but I've got some footage of that that I'll show you, and also I included some footage of some as yet unnamed snowflake food. And I fed some of those to my pure redline shrimp, and they absolutely went for it. So whatever it is, it's good stuff. So jump out to Detroit Shrimp Aquatics and reach out to Brian and get you some, because it seems to be really good stuff. So here they are. Sorry for the shakiness. Zoomed in this much, it is really hard to be steady. I was holding the camera freehand, so without a tripod, so I'm a little bit jumpy. But you can see they're really dark. They are not black, but they are so dark blue that they look black. This one you can kind of see the blue showing up in the tail, and they're just going to town. Seem to be pretty happy. There's a couple of females that are buried, so very happy. They're beautiful shrimp. I just dropped a small pellet of the as to yet be unnamed food from Detroit Shrimp Aquatics. Brian over there sent me a little packet. Well, I bought it, but anyway, wanted to try it, and I dropped it in there less than 5 minutes ago, and look at all the babies and all the other shrimp just coming over there to eat and fight over it. I have a feeling they're going to be piling on that before too long. You can see them in the background starting to head that way. This tank is just full of tiny babies. See if I can zoom in without being too shaky here. Well, there you have it. I think it's a success, and that's some pretty awesome food. I mean, this regular snowflake I put in here, it usually takes them a bit to pile on it. 10-15 minutes it'd have maybe this many, so pretty impressive.